you multiply that number to 4. Add 5 to that number. Okay. So you multiply that number to 4. Add 5 to that number. I'm waiting there because I believe you are adding. Now your total sum should come out to be 25. Is it difficult? Yes, you might have not get the answer this only. Yes. So it is very difficult to find out any number, then multiply by 4, then add 5 and the total should come out to be 25. This is a small example, but if any other number I give you 958 suppose, then it becomes really difficult. So instead of doing like this, if we presume that number, if we presume it, like suppose that number be x, let that number be x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever, any alphabet. Okay, multiply, that means 4x, add 5 to that number, then your total should come out to be 25. Okay, so what is this? This is known as what? Equation. This is known as what? Equation. Can you see? Okay, now how to solve this equation? Very simple. This alphabet which we take, it is known as a variable. It is known as a variable, okay, whose value is, we don't know, okay, it may vary. So we consider it as a variable. Now, you can see this also, this is a sign of equality. This is a sign of equality. That means this side is equal to this side. This is the left hand side, so this is known as the left hand side. Okay, this is on the left, so left hand side. This is on the right, so this is known as right hand side. Now how do we solve an equation? How we make an equation? We did it. Now how do we solve an equation? How? Very simple. These are the constants. These are the constants. We put all the constants to one side. Okay, we shift. So how to shift this 5 that side? Okay, only we can do it if we make this 5 0. How can we make this 5 0? If to this 5 I subtract a 5, will it be 0? Yes. Is equal to, now since there is a sign of equality, whatever you are doing on the left hand side, you have to do it on the right hand side also. Got it? Now this becomes what? 0. So 4x is equal to 20. Now how to remove this 4? If I divide it by 4, will it go? Similarly, I will have to do it here also. 4 and 4 got cancelled. So the value of x becomes what? 5. So this removing is also known as transposing. Okay, where we shift the number. Like here we can also say this 5 from the left hand side, it will shift to the right hand side. So its sign will change. From positive, it will become negative. So you can see, if we don't see this part, 4x is equal to 25 minus 5. Exactly what has happened, this 25 has shifted that side, the right hand side, and its sign has changed. Similarly, if we talk about this 4 has also shifted that side, its sign has changed. It was multiplication, it became division. If you don't see this 20 divided by 4, so the value of x gives 5. So either you do this way or you do the shifting method, that is the transposing method. This is how you solve your equation. Okay, coming back to equation, I told you this is what? This is the sign of equality. Okay, that means both sides are equal. Now, because of this sign, this is known as equation. We are going to equate this equation, so this is known as equation. Now suppose if any other sign is here. Is this an equation? Now this is not an equation. Okay. This shows that 4x plus 5 is smaller than 20 changes to this side. This also shows the same thing. So the new topic of today's is this only. Okay. That means we are starting a new chapter, chapter 4, that is a simple equation. A simple equation. So in class 6 we have already studied what is an equation. An equation is a condition to a variable. Okay, according to the condition of the variable, we form an equation. Got it? So this is all about an equation, a simple equation. This is a very simple equation. In future you are going to get complicated equations also. So right now, just the first step to climb the stairs, just the first step, this is what we have done just now. The equation, simple equation, variable, constants, sign of equality, LHS, left hand side, RHS, right hand side. Okay, so now we are going to start try these. There are some try these in the book. Try these is given on page 78. Page 78. Let me read the try these. The value of expression 10y minus 20 depends on the value of y. Verify by giving 5 different values of y. So verify. Instead of giving 5 different values, we'll give only one. Okay. Simple. One is already given in the book. Something like this. From here we can find the value of y. How? 10y will be 50. This is minus 20. It will go here. It will become plus 20. So 10y is equal to 70. Y is equal to 70 upon 10, which is equal to 7. Okay. We have, just to remove this 20, we added 20 here and 20 here. You can see it became 70. Then to remove this 10, we divided 10 here and 10 here. And this is how we got the value of y as 7. This is one condition which is already given in the book. What we do now? 10y minus 20. Let's take 80 now. Okay, any number you can take. So 10y is equal to 20 goes that side, so it becomes 80 plus 20. 10y becomes 100. Y becomes 10. Okay, so this is one condition. Going ahead, one more try these is there. Page number 80. Page number 80. Page 80. Try these. Write at least one other form for each equation, second, third and fourth. Other form? Second, which second, third and fourth? It is not written also. Let's take example 2. Second, 5p is equal to 20. Third, 3n plus 7 is equal to 1. Fourth, m upon 5 minus 2 is equal to 6. So write it in other form is maybe in the statement form. So it is already done. In that example, if you see, it is already done. If you want, you can mark that only, or we can discuss here. Like for example, my age multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Okay, you can write like this. You can apply a condition. My age multiplied by 5 will be equal to 20. Okay, now like this here also. Number of pencils which I have, multiply thrice the my weight minus 2 is equal to 6 kgs. Got it? So this is how we complete our try these. So now there is exercise 4.1 which we will start tomorrow. Okay? Today you take rest. Enough of introduction part we have done. Just remember simple equation. What is a simple equation? Which has an LHS, RHS, sign of equality, a variable. Okay? And these are the try these. You do it in the book itself.